This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sarah Rakob. Easy to show. Waterfront community. Turnkey, open floor plan and located in a sought-after Melbourne Beach community. This expansive 2-bedroom and 2 full bathroom condo is outfitted with new cabinets, appliances, countertops and terracotta tile. Plantation shutters allow tons of natural light into the unit and are accented by textured ceilings. Boasting an additional custom storage space of around 300 square feet as well as an enclosed tiled cabana of 350 square feet, this lot is one of 5 in the 80-unit community with expansive open space. New roof. Built with reinforced concrete. Enjoy the private and gated beach access leading you to the Atlantic Ocean or sit on the community's private dock and watch the sun set across the river. This is one of a kind and will not last long. Show and go. ELB. Call 407-770-96288 to schedule a showing. For more information, review the details below.